Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Oliver Dlouhy. I'm the founder and CEO of Kiwi.com, which is an online travel agent currently focused on selling air tickets. 6 years ago, when I was a broke student, I was looking for a way with my then girlfriend, nowadays wife, to find the cheapest tickets to Portugal. What was on the offer were tickets for like 400 euros, which was too much for us to afford. So we were trying to find ways how to get there cheaper. And we have actually discovered a trick which saved us 80% of the ticket price. So we ended up paying only 80 euros for the tickets, and we got to our dreamed of vacation. And during the whole vacation, I was thinking, OK, if I can save this much money on the air tickets with this simple trick, that can bring a lot of value to a wider audience. So when we went back from the vacation, I already had this business idea in my mind, and I started a company. But before sharing the trick with you, I will just give you a little bit insight on the market. So over the years of building the company, we have actually realized that the market is huge. Over 1.2 trillion euros is being spent by travelers every year. 50% of the market is still offline, so it will shift into online in the next couple of years. And the market is extremely fragmented. So the market leaders only have like 10% share in the market. The rest is being split between thousands and thousands of travel companies. But now, back to the trick I was talking about in the beginning. So actually, we have created something what we later called virtual interlining. Virtual interlining is combining flights of carriers which do not cooperate with each other officially. So as you can see on this example, there is a flight from I think it's Prague to Mexico City. And you can see there are two stopovers. So the first leg from Prague to Paris could be, for example, with EasyJet. Then we connect the travelers from EasyJet on the flight from Paris to New York to Delta. And then, for the last mile, from New York to Mexico City, we use, for example, JetBlue. So those are 3 different flights from 3 different airlines which do not cooperate with each other, but we sell it to the customer in one single transaction. And last but not least, we have so-called Kiwi.com guarantee in place. So in case something bad happens, in case, for example, the flight gets delayed, the customer misses his connecting flight and is stuck at the airport, we cover him. We, on our own costs, book the customer on the next available flight to his final destination. And in case, for example, he needs to stay there until the next day because there is no good connection for today, we pay even for the hotel and for the food. Now, I don't want to bore you too much with the technology, just to show you how complex this product is. So it's all based on the data. So we are getting data from multiple suppliers, GDS, global distribution systems, the airlines themselves, aggregators. We have like 450 data sources in place. Then, when we receive all the data, and we are receiving around 300,000 new flights every second, so it's a huge amount of data, we crunch it, we process it in our algorithm, and we create the routing. Then we distribute our itineraries via a wide network of partners and Kiwi.com website. We are using websites like Skyscanner, Kayak, or Swoodoo in Germany to distribute our flights. So if you are using some of them, you can find our flights there as well. OK, so this was another powerful feature of Kiwi.com. Besides the virtual interlining, we also can do very powerful multi-city trips, especially for those travelers who travel really for the sake of traveling. We can find great itineraries for even better prices. So where is the company today? Currently, we are receiving around 40 million searches every day. One search is if someone types in from Berlin to London, for example, on the 5th of July, return on 18th of July. So that's one search. We are receiving 40 million of them. We are receiving 6,000 bookings. So 6,000 customers book with us every day. And these 6,000 bookings translate into around 20,000 flight segments we sell every single day. As you can see from the routes, from our top-selling routes, we are very global. Our biggest market is the US, followed by Western Europe and Scandinavia, then the APAC region, Australia, New Zealand, and we are growing quite quickly in Latin America too. We are a very customer service-oriented company. So if you check our score at Trustpilot, an independent review website, you see that we have 5 stars out of 5. Some other numbers. Last year, we ended up selling the tickets for 310 million euros. This year, we are planning to more than double up. Currently, we have, OK, so this is one month old slide. So we no longer have 1,200 employees, but we have 1,400 employees. From those ticket sales, we have 90 million of revenue, and we only raise 1.5 million euros. So with this headcount, we just have to be profitable. We have global footprint. So besides our headquarters in Brno, we have offices all around the world, including Fiji, Manila, and Durban in South Africa, but also many offices in Prague. So what are the future plans? We have started with flights only, but this year we are going to integrate ground transportation as well. So our itineraries will not only consist of flights, but there could be one leg with train, another leg with bus. In the next years, we will be focusing on integrating point-to-point transport. So we will be integrating Uber, Lyft. We'll be integrating local cabs. So the idea here is to be able to get you from any point on the globe to any other with just one transaction, with just one click, and all the connections, again, will be guaranteed by Kiwi.com guarantee. So anything gets delayed, we will have you covered. And the ultimate goal, probably in 2020, 2021, we want to integrate all the other services related to travel, starting with accommodation, with activities in the destination, with restaurant bookings. The idea is to have all your journey covered in one single app, so you don't need to leave Kiwi.com experience. You can book everything with just one single app. So this is what we want to do. We want to fix the travel so it works for travelers and not for the industry. And we believe that this is the right way. So thank you for your patience.